how's it going? My name is LemonTea, and today we're going to be checking out this one glitch that was recently found. So for starters, we're going to be up there. Let me see if it'll get back into distance that we can see the bridge.
Your new task is to deliver the transmitter to number 2.
Yes, I hear you.
Note that your current objective has been updated, and a new red marker has been set to number 2.
I hear ya. So this is a
Click
glitch
on number
where...
2 to talk to him and update your mission.
Okay.
Characters with a accept.
Okay. Yada,
Ready
yada,
for
yada,
Nano,
yada.
and I need your help.
We're gonna be exploring Tech Square with the Buttercup Nano. Let's go.
Congratulations. By successfully select
Dexter has disappeared.
Let's just get to the fun
You've got to
part,
see if
shall
he's
we?
in the infected zone. I'll check out here.
Okay, so here we are. This is the main area that we gotta... where it all starts. So first, we gotta go across the bridge. This big old baddie will spawn.
Nanos have powers that they can use to help you in battle. To summon your... to use Buttercup's... Now that your enemy
Okay,
is
there we
stunned,
go.
you can get
So
to
now
the
he's
scamper
stunned,
safely.
and in this, he is stunned indefinitely. So, what you're gonna want to do is get on top of this, and you're gonna want to try and get on top of that roof right there. So, right there. Okay, so now we're here. Jump here. Then you're gonna want to jump to over there. Jump to right there. And then, bam, you're free to explore Tech
I
Square.
was just getting started.
You're free to explore your Tech Square
Let's get him.
with your Buttercup Nano. It's all in the parkour and jumping around skills. So let's look around, shall we? So, as we can see, nothing's really much changed except we're missing player models and stuff. We're missing number 2 over there. We're missing the deck spot right here to help teleport us. But besides that, everything else seems normal. We still got the invisible walls over there. It's just now we're free to explore without being told what to do, because he is stunned forever. Once we stun that, the pterodactyl robot, once we stun him, he's stunned forever. So you're not going to get yelled at by Computress or anything. You're free to explore. Do whatever you want. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to explore all of Tech Square. And there's nothing new out, so there won't be much gameplay for a while until, you know, new content is released. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.